Hi friends, this is Nirmal Patel from Raksh Education, and in this video friends, we are going to learn a very cool dividing trick in which we will learn how to divide by 9 and 11 in a very different and very cool way. So here, our answers are going to come in decimals. Still we can handle that and we can get the answers just in few seconds. And here our answers are going to come in like a mixed fraction, or we can get that in a super easy way just in like 2 or 3 seconds, guys. So watch the entire video and learn this wonderful trick, guys. Friends, if you're dividing single digit by 9, on the spot you can write down your answer like 4 divided by 9. What is the answer? You can just write it down 0.444 keeps going, which is recurring. Yeah, so you can write down that as a like 0.4, and then you can put on the dot on the top or maybe the line, yeah, which shows the recurring. So if it is a single digit, you don't need to do anything, guys. Let's say if it is 5 upon 9, then same, guys, 0.555, yeah, which is going to be 0.5 bar recurring. Is it not cool, guys? Yeah, if it is a 7 upon 9, then 0.777, guys, yeah, recurring. And if it is 8 upon 9, then 0.888. So basically, guys, whenever you're doing n upon 9, so n is your single digit. If it is a single digit, your answer is always going to be 0.n, guys, yeah, which is going to be 0.n bar. Now, friends, we'll be learning our proper trick. So let us say 232, you want to divide by our conventional method, and this real cool trick, you can compare both. So that you can compare, guys, I'm going to do in a conventional way and then this new trick way, and you will see the magnificent difference, guys. So let us say if I want to find out 232 divided by 9, guys. So if I want to find out what is the quotient, what is the remainder, I could take all the steps like 9 to the 18, isn't it? And then I do 823 minus 18, which is 5. Then I got to do this long process, get your 2 down, and then 9 5s are 45, and 52 minus 45 7. Then I get it, guys. This is my quotient and this is my remainder. That's a process, yes or no? But here, guys, I'm going to show you the new way. You will feel like, what? Believe me, that's my promise, guys. So what we're going to do is, guys, see and understand first, guys. So let's say whatever is the first number, get this down, guys. So 2 down as it is. Then after 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 down here. 2 plus 3 is 5, which is here. And 5 plus 2, 7, which is here. Now, guys, this is my quotient and this is the remainder. Check it out, guys. Have a look, guys. 25 is my quotient and 7 is my remainder. What did I do, guys? Is it not really fantastic, guys? Yeah. Get your 2 down. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Your last digit is the remainder. This is your quotient and done. Let's do another question, guys. Yeah, so you can have a bit more understanding. Let's see if I'm taking 3 and then 4 and then 1 divided by 9. What do I need to do? Get my first digit down, which is 3, and then 3 plus 4. What is 3 plus 4? 7, and then 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is 8, yeah? So this is my quotient and this is my remainder. If I want to write down this answer, guys, in decimals, I can simply write it down 37.888, yeah? And that is going to be 37.8 bar because that is recurring. Is it not amazing technique, guys? Friends, these questions are a little more challenging than the previous one. So we'll do a little bit of a change in our technique, guys, and we can accommodate these questions, and then we can go with the same speed as well, guys. So what is the first thing is, we can see these numbers are bigger, like 8, 6, 9. So whenever I'm going to add like 8 plus 6, that's going to be 14. So 2-digit number, I'm going to get it. So what am I going to do? Whenever I'm going to get this number down, I'll be trying to write down that as a 2-digit number. So 8 So I'll be writing down that as a 0, 8. Nice and easy, guys, yeah? Then the second step, again the same. 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is 14, which I can write down here. And then 14 plus 9, which is 23. That's I can write down here as well. All right, now guys, two modifications. First thing, because they are bigger numbers, I'm writing every number as a 2-digit number. Now my first thing is I'll be using the balancing rule. So like, let's say whatever is this number 3, I'm going to put it down as it is. And then this number 2 gets added here. So 2 plus 4 is 6. 1 plus 8 is 9. So 963. And one last adjustment, guys. Whenever your last number is bigger than 9, then you got to add up something, guys. Whenever this number is bigger than 9, you got to see, because I want the number smaller than 9, but this is bigger than 9. So you got to think about 9 times what will go with the 23. So 9 2s are 18 can go, yeah? So 9 2s are 18. So I go to plus 2. So now 963 plus 2, which is 965. So here now I'm done, guys. This is my quotient and this is my remainder. So let us say if I want to write it down as a decimal, so I can write it down, guys, 96.555, yeah, in a recurring way, and that is my answer. Again, what do I need to do? Write down the digit in a 2-digit number, keep on adding and do it. Last number as it is. I'm going to add this here, I'm going to add this here, and whenever my last thing is there, if it is a bigger than 9, I go to see 9 times what makes that, that's the number I go to add it, and then simple 96.555, guys. That is your answer. I believe now you understand the process. So doing other questions, guys, is going to be fun now. Now we can be more faster, yeah? So let us say my first number 5 is a 2-digit number, 0 5. 5 plus 9, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. Is that not nice and cool, guys? Yes. Then this last digit as it is 0, 2 plus 4, 6, 1 plus 5, 6. But again, don't forget, my friends, this number 20 is bigger than 9. So you go to see, guys, 9 goes in what number? So 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. So I go to plus 2 as well. So my answer is going to be 662, which means my 66. First 2 digit is a quotient and 2 is a remainder. If you write it down in a decimal, 66.222 in a recurring way is your answer, guys. Is that good, guys? Now pause the video, give it a go. Yeah, and see what answer you're getting, and then when I do it, you can check your answer. Did you get your answer? Yeah, let's see that. Well, my first letter down, so a number down, which is 07. 7 plus 3, which is going to be 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. This is 2 down. 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 7 8. And then last, guys, this is 12. 9 goes with what? 9 ones are 9, is it not? So one number I'm going to add it, which is 813. 81 is my quotient and 3 is a remainder. So my answer is going to be 81.333 in a recurring way, and I'm done, guys. All right, are you ready, guys, to do the last questions with the 9? Then after, we are going to learn how to divide with 11 as well, guys. Yeah, but I'm going to do this in a super cool, super fast way. But before that, the best thing is, guys, practice. If you're not going to practice, you cannot enjoy the trick that much. Pause the video, give it a go, find out the answer, guys, and then check with me. Are you guys done? Then I can start, yeah? So I'm going to start in a speedy way, guys. All right, so let us say 6. So I can write down 0, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. My last digit here, 6. 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 6, 7. Plus, this is 16. 9 ones are 9, because 9 2s are 18 more, yeah? So 9 ones are 9, which is going to be 747. 74 is my quotient, 7 is the remainder. So answer in a decimal way is 74.7777 in a recurring way, guys. And guys, Now you have mastered the technique of dividing by 9, guys. Now, friends, we'll be looking and learning at, guys, division trick of 11. So how we can divide by 11 in a super cool way. Again, the answers are not going to be the whole number, guys. Yeah, we'll have like a mixed fraction and things like that, but still we can handle them and get it done just in a matter of 2 seconds, guys. Yeah, by using this trick. This trick of 11 is also much similar to 9. So 9 you have learned this. So I think this is not going to be very hard either, with some differences, guys. So what am I going to do here is, so the first number I'm going to get it down to. Now, guys, you got to be a little bit careful. Yeah, first number is down. Now this number 3, you're going to do 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, which is 1. So 1 here. Then the next number, guys, this is 2. So you're going to do 2 minus 1, which is going to be 1. Is it good, guys? So what am I doing? My first number down. So that's 2. And then after, guys, 3 minus 2, 1. And then 2 minus 1, 1 here. I'm done, guys, as such. This is my quotient and this is my remainder, guys. So if I want to write it down in the mixed fraction, this is the quotient, so which is 21, 1 remainder, and divided by 11. That's my answer, guys. How cool is that? Yeah, let's do the second question, guys. You will love it. So what is the things you do? So we are doing in a total different way, guys, and we are getting the answers in 1 or 2 seconds. Yeah. So let's say my first number is 5. I can get that out. Yes. What is the next thing to do? 6 minus 5, guys. No? 6 minus. Don't do the plus. In 9, we're doing the plus. Here, we're doing minus, guys. So 6 minus 5, which is 1. And then 8 minus 1, which is 7. And then, guys, this is my quotient and this is my remainder, guys. So you can put it down. Your answer is 51 whole and then 7 remainder upon 11. Done, guys. Yeah, now let's say I'm doing this question. So 198. What is the thing? First number down, which is 1. Now 9 minus 1, which is going to be 8. And now 8 minus 8, which is going to be 0. So this is my quotient and this is my remainder. My remainder is 0, guys. So this time my answer is complete 18. So 18 is my answer. Is it not cool, guys? Yeah, friends, these questions are a little bit more challenging than the previous one, but with slight modification, a little bit more understanding, we can do all these questions also equally fast, guys. So in the first question, we will try to understand what are the differences, how to handle that. Once you understand that properly, then we are going to do these questions, guys, super fast. Alright, so let's do the first question. So again, no difference in the starting. First number 2, I am going to get down. So that's 2. Again, my here process is the same. So 5 minus 2, which is going to be 3, which is the same. But now, friend, you can see in the last part, can you see this is 2 minus 3. And 2 minus 3 is coming negative 1. So whenever you get a negative here, how can you handle that? That's what we are going to look here. So what we are going to do is, guys, here, this number is 23 and this is negative 1. My remainder is negative 1, but I can't have a negative number. So what am I going to do? I'm going to reduce this number by 1. So 23, I'm going to make it 22. So whenever I'm reducing by 1, I can give this number 11 because we are dividing by 11. So every value is like 11. So here I can do 11 minus 1. So 11 minus 1 is 10. So in this case, and again, guys, my remainder can be 10. It can be 2 digit because my 10 is smaller than 11. So there is a possibility. Yeah. So this number is my quotient and this number is my remainder. If I want to write down the same as a mixed fraction, I can write down 22 and the remainder is a 10 over 11. and that is my answer, guys. Again, let's try to understand. So the same process, whenever we get a negative, we go to reduce this number by 1 and we can give it a 11. So 11 minus that negative number I can do, and then after I can follow the same process. Let us see the other question, guys, so you can have a bit more understanding. Yeah, so here, okay, the first number is 5 down, nice and easy. Then next is 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1, no problem at all. And the next one is 7 minus 1, which is 6, no problem. But now at the end, guys, you can see 2 minus 6. Whenever you do 2 minus 6, you're going to get negative 4. So again, we got the negative number. So what we are going to do, we'll reduce this number by 1 and we are going to give 11 there. So this is going to be like 515 and we can give 11 here. So 11 minus 4, which is going to be 7. So this 515 is my quotient and 7 is my remainder. And if I write down the number as a mixed fraction, I can write it down 515 and 7 over 11. Now I believe you got it, yeah? So let's say the next question. In the starting, no difference, my first number down, so 6. Then after, guys, I can just do 8 minus 6, which is 2. Then I can do 3 minus 2, which is 1. And 7 minus 1, which is 6. In this case, guys, we didn't get the negative number, luckily, yeah? So we don't need to worry about anything. So this is my quotient and this is my remainder. And I can write down the answer directly, which is going to be 621. My remainder is 6 over 11. And that is my answer directly, guys. This is a little tricky question, guys. All right. So we got to adjust a little bit, which you will see, guys. So my very first step, I'm going to get my 7 down. So 7 is down here. Now, guys, have a look. If I'm trying to do 3 minus 7, I cannot get it. Yeah, it's a negative number. So what am I going to do is I'm going to borrow 1 here. So that is going to be 13. And this number 7, I go to reduce by 1. So it becomes 6. Very important, guys. When you cannot do that, what you're going to do in the middle? You're going to make it 13 and 1 less number here. So now I can do 13 minus 6. What is 13 minus 6? 7. So I'm going to write down 7 here, guys. And then I can continue the process. And then 8 minus 7, which is going to be 1. So then 67 is my quotient and 1 is a remainder. So my answer is going to be 67, 1 over 11. Is that clear, guys? Yeah, I hope now you have understood the concept. You have mastered the technique, guys. Yeah, and I hope you like the video. So subscribe to the channel, guys, for more math tricks like that. Share with your friends as well. So channel can boost up. We can have some motivation as well. Thank you so much for watching. And I'm going to see you in the next video, guys. Bye.